Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change theme on Proton Mail on PC. Proton Mail allows users to customize the appearance of the inbox by changing the theme. Theme adjusts the visual style of the interface such as light mode, dark mode and the other color variation to make the email experience more comfortable and visually appealing. Changing the theme can also help reduce the eye strain, especially if you work on your computer. First, you need to open to one of the browser that you prefer, and in the top we can find this address bar. Type down proton.me and enter it. Over here, once you get into this interface of your login, in the top right click onto this login, and just from here we can find this small icon of your mode in the top right just beside your profile. Click onto this mode over here. Under this menu you can find this appearance. You can go to your light mode, dark mode, or you can also auto sync with the system of computer as well. And that is it. This is how you can change your theme on your Proton Mail. Changing the theme in Proton Mail on PC is a quick and simple way to personalize your email interface. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.